Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting and rapidly evolving chapter in the electric vehicle world, specifically focusing on NIO's sub-brand, ONVO, and its highly anticipated model, the ONVO L90. We've got major updates, a fresh wave of buzz across China, and significant implications for NIO's future as a profitable company. If you've been following NIO or the broader EV landscape, this is a story you don't want to miss. Let's get into it. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. The ONVO L90 is steadily building serious momentum, even before the first customer test drives have officially kicked off. With over 400 ONVO stores now operating across China, the L90 is being widely showcased to the public, and it's making waves. This weekend, many of these retail spaces were completely swarmed by interested buyers and EV enthusiasts, drawn by the hype and anticipation surrounding this new vehicle. While test drives hadn't started yet, the big news is that NIO's CEO just confirmed they are launching this week. This is a major milestone, giving potential customers their first real feel of what the ONVO L90 is like on the road. With the stores already attracting large crowds, this move is likely to escalate the excitement and push momentum into overdrive. One of the most appealing aspects of the ONVO L90 isn't just its range or smart tech, it's also about the practical everyday value it delivers. From early marketing material and consumer feedback, it's clear that ONVO is heavily leaning into how functional and spacious this car is. People are particularly impressed by the trunk space and storage design. That sort of thoughtful convenience appeals not only to EV fans, but also to families, city drivers, and long-distance travelers. ONVO's marketing strategy also deserves recognition. They've launched a campaign that feels more aggressive and polished than what we typically see from new sub-brands. Their messaging is clear: the L90 is not just an EV, it's a complete lifestyle vehicle. And so far, the buzz around it indicates they're succeeding in getting that message across. Now, here's where things get even more interesting. Deliveries for the ONVO L90 are scheduled to begin on August 1st. That's just around the corner, and it means we could see a very strong opening month in terms of sales volume. If the current interest converts into orders, and there's every reason to believe it will, we could be looking at 10K or more deliveries in just the first month. And it doesn't stop there. If ONVO manages to hit or exceed the 15K to 20K delivery mark in August, and if NIO's other vehicles also reach 20K deliveries in the same period, then we're looking at a potential total of around 40K vehicles delivered in just 1 month. That would be a huge leap and a very positive signal for the brand. Such numbers wouldn't just impress investors, they could be a turning point for the company. Remember, NIO has faced significant criticism over the last few quarters for not yet turning a profit. But if these August delivery targets are achieved, it could lay the groundwork for a break-even or even profitable Q3. And NIO isn't stopping at ONVO. There's also the Firefly brand, which is preparing to enter the European market. Firefly vehicles have already been spotted at delivery centers in countries like the Netherlands, and they're expected to start reaching customers at the end of July. That expansion into overseas markets further boosts NIO's delivery volumes and strengthens their brand presence beyond China. What's equally important is the company's manufacturing capacity. During NIO's Q1 earnings call, the CEO shared that their current factories can already handle around 50K units per month. That means production won't be a bottleneck. Plus, a third plant is scheduled to come online in Q3, adding even more capacity, especially useful for ONVO and Firefly models. With these developments in mind, a scenario where NIO reaches profitability in Q3 isn't far-fetched at all. Even if the company doesn't quite get there, the loss might be negligible, possibly under 10 cents per share. And from there, it's just a matter of time. In short, the company is executing a multi-brand strategy with ONVO, Firefly, and the core NIO lineup, all targeting different segments of the EV market. Each of these brands holds strong potential, and combined, they could finally push the company over the threshold into consistent profitability. That's also a critical blow to short sellers who've long criticized NIO for its financial struggles. Once NIO becomes profitable, one of the last major arguments against the company fades away, and that could result in a sharp turnaround in investor sentiment. To sum it all up, ONVO L90 is poised to play a major role in NIO's growth story. With an official test drive campaign starting this week, the buzz is reaching new heights. Deliveries start August 1st, and we might see tens of thousands of units sold in the very first month. Combined with upcoming Firefly deliveries in Europe and increased production capacity, the numbers point to a strong Q3. Profitability may finally be within reach. If not this quarter, then certainly within the near future. And when that happens, it will change the narrative around NIO entirely. So keep your eyes on August. It could be the month that turns everything around. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing, and see you in the next video.